a great honor to be in your presence this morning as we witness this memorable event today. On behalf of Mampong Municipal Assembly, I wish to welcome you all as stakeholders of the development of Mampong Municipality to the sword cutting ceremony for the commencement of the long-awaited Mampong Municipal 24-hour economy market. Nana Chairman, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I count myself very lucky to have such a remarkable project commencing in my tenure of office. And I can attest that most districts have challenges one way or the other with regards to the choice of project site, which in effect delays construction. Fortunately, here in Mampong, with the help of our highly esteemed Nananom, the choice of I am therefore by this means extending my sincere gratitude to Nananom, and especially to our most revered Queen Mother of Mampong, Nana Jakuma Difie II, for her unwavering support. Without the contribution, we would not have witnessed this day. Nana Chairman, as we are all aware, local market serves as a platform for local businesses to thrive, contributing to an economic engine and a social heartbeat. It empowers local traders, keeps money circulating within the neighborhood, and provides a safe, vibrant gathering space that strengthens social cohesion for buyers and sellers. In most developed countries, markets are designed to operate 24/7 through a 24-hour economic shift, enabling round-the-clock trade and service delivery. Nana Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in line with the vision of the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, to modernize our traditional market, where traders with farm produce and other were to operate around the clock, thereby stimulating economic activity. This was a campaign promise, and we are committed to fulfilling it. For His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, during the 2024 campaign season, or promising the good people of Ghana, said, Oba, Obe initiative will be a final 24-hour economic market. I know, and I am here boy another young. Into one of the promise, His Excellency, a promise, and now Mampong, yes, so you fulfill it, dear. The government commitment to equitable development for the implementation of the 24-hour economic market will seek to deepen local economic development